to learn about this kanji. This kanji reading gang. And for the kunyumi reading, alawalelu, uzuzu. This kanji they have the reading of kunyumi in two sounds such as alawalelu or uzuzu. And for the ongyumi, we just have only one sound, which say gen. But this kanji just had the meaning of present, existing, or actual. Present, existing, or actual. The next we are going to see some sample. Gen ni is mean actually or really or actually. Gendai is mean nowadays, modern era. You say that the kanji of gen is mean present, right? And dai is mean era. So when you put gendai is mean the modern era or the nowadays or the right now era, something like this. Genki is mean cash or ready money. Gen is mean present. King is mean the kanji of king is mean money. So when you put the present to be the money, which mean cash or the ready money, that means the money that you can touch and you ready to use, right? So genki is mean cash or ready money. The next, alawasu is mean to reveal, to show, to reveal or to show. Alawalelu is mean to appear. Uzuzu is mean related, conscious.